Hello, dear friend. I'm Judy, a customer from Vietnam. Placed an order with us for 16 units of EA500C6 light. So let's go and have a look. EA500C6 rental spray is a compact and refined product. Its perfectly balanced color design and engineering designs are a testament to this power. EA506 rental display features a quick lock design, and it supports the curved installations, making the setups more easier and faster, and it's greatly improving their construction efficiency. And the moldable is made of die-cast aluminum. All screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, making the structures more solid and durable. An ideal choice for rental cabinets. When you take a look at EA500C6, you will notice its industrious design aesthetics. Besides, the design cover is also stunning. The power supply is close attention to the back cover panels, which greatly improve heat dissipation efficiency. Sceneries are ended around the back cover, further enhancing its waterproof capability, chilling food out from meticulous details. The L display can combine with the EA1000C6 full variations, greatly meets the diverse upstage design. You think it's any here? No, the display experience of the EA500C6 is also outstanding. With 3840Hz high refresh rate, high glare, and high brightness, it delivers an exceptional video experience. Dear folks, if you have any projects coming up, please remember to contact us. See you. Bye bye.